What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the 9 to 5, how the project is doing so far. Okay, so over here we can see that the project has been audited by Crypto Prim, George the Stamp, and the dev team has been KYC'd by Anoni Docs. Okay, and over here we have the marketing team. Okay, guys, so 9 to 5, how it works, you're only gonna get paid from 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. As you can see right here is 1904, so that means the office is closed, no rewards for anyone. Scrolling further down we can see the project statistics. Okay, so the contract balance 227,000 USDT so far, invested employees 433, revenue generated 1,000 USDT, and the current APR is 1.5%. Okay, going back into the office is closed. Here we can see our dashboard. So this is to be my dashboard. Obviously I'm playing with my YouTube wallet, so I'm recording with my YouTube wallet. So over here we can see the balance that I invested with my YouTube wallet. Okay, so I invested 50 bucks. Well, currently I invested 50 bucks. Okay, but you pay 10% tax on that, so it's 45. But then you can work harder, so that means you will do 50-50 strategy and boost your ROI. Okay, until your next claim. Okay, so you get more money invested, you get some of the work harder into your wallets, and you also increase your monthly salary. Okay, so office status. Okay, obviously the office is closed because it's gone past 5 o'clock. Okay, so how to interact with the project. Okay, so the minimum investment is 30 USDT, the maximum is 100,000 USDT. Come over here, you type in the amount that you want to deposit. First you approve, pay MetaMask gas fee, and then you deposit, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and boom, okay, your stats will pop up right here, as you can see on mine. Okay, so obviously I'm not earning anything right now because the office is closed. Down here we have more information about how the compound, withdraw, and work harder works. Scrolling further down we can see that we got the referral rewards. So for whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get 4% commission from that person's deposit. The rewards will be available right here, and then you can either withdraw, pay 30% tax on those rewards, or you compound, so that means you pay no tax and you'll be adding this reward to your USDT invested. Okay, down here we have the TG group, KYC, and the smart contract. Looking at the smart contract, we have 67.6K inside a smart contract. Obviously this project works with external revenue, so if you come over here and show revenue stream details, we can see where the external revenue is going to. Alpha Trades, Osprey Forex Trader, crypto trading, protocols, investments, and over here we can see the summary and where the funds are going to. Okay, so if you're not familiar with this project, I would recommend you to spend some time reading everything, and over here we got the white paper. Okay, so obviously the project was launched on the 8th, so it's about 8-9 days old. Okay, as you can see right here, over here is when the funds were ejected from the smart contracts for the trades and all that. Okay, and then again over here we can see in more detail. So the team withdrew 100K from the smart contracts on the 9th and 66K yesterday, okay, on the 16th. Okay, obviously this is for the external revenue, and the rest of the days we can see that small investors coming in. Okay, which is really good to see because the team behind the project, okay, it's the DeFi Detective. It's been around for quite some time, so he's a solid dude, so you cannot go wrong, right? So over here we have the 9 to 5 proof of daily revenue. Over here we can see the trades that's been happening. Okay, over here we can see the proof of funding and investments, proof of migration. So as you can see, full transparency right there. Okay, and we have the TG group, the normal TG group, where you can come over here, chit chat, and ask questions that if you want to know more about a project, or is there something that you don't understand, etc. Okay, guys, everything it's right here. Okay, another thing that I would like to mention is where is it? Right here is the weekly reports. Okay, weekly reports is where they explain what happened the past week, and then they will say, okay, the coming week we will see the ROI at 1.5%. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. So if you are in this project, just join this channel so you can stay up to date. Okay, but essentially that's that, guys. The project, it's doing well. The community, it's doing its thing. So 433 members already in 8-9 days, which is really good to see. So 227k. So for the way things go, it seems like we're gonna hit 300k soon, and maybe 500k before June. Hopefully that will be the case. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, 9 to 5, still doing its thing, and yeah, I'm loving it. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.